Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Come and join me to check out amazing finds in Dollarama. For today, I will be focusing on the kitchen section. This aesthetic large cutlery tray is definitely giving like an IKEA vibes, but definitely cheaper. They have a cheese slicer board for $5 and a pot lid organizer to keep your pots and pans organized. This Farberware knife set for $5, which is definitely cheaper than those at other retail stores. Got this milk frother. This is very handy if you want to add an extra flair to your morning coffee routine on a budget. Strawberry Holler is a new find for $4. These multifunctional veggie slicers for $4.50. For $4, they have stopwatch timer and thermometers. If you love baking, these Wilton brands for $4.50 are a great deal. These reusable sandwich bags are great for anyone looking to cut down on single-use plastics. For $1.25, they have a Cool Gear freezer gel ice blocks. They have some amazing lunch totes that are perfect for work, school, or any on-the-go adventures. This Cuisinart knife set is only for $4.75. They have this cute motivational water bottle for $5 to keep you hydrated. Also have this universal touchless dispenser for liquid soap and hand sanitizer for $5. They have this soda designed canisters which are fun and eye-catchy for $5, which can be used for your storage solutions. The next one are slim can cooler sets. They are stainless and non-slip, and they do have a variety of colors. They also have this new find. They are puffin drinkware, which are also for $5. They're very cute and very stylish. This item here for $5 is very handy. You can put some pencils, crayons, or markers to keep them organized. Moving forward, there's different storage containers. They have stackables or singles, which are very helpful on keeping stuff tidy. This section is for tumblers and water bottles. For kids' water bottle, I see some Mickey Mouse, Paw Patrol, Spider-Man, and Bluey designs. For this tumbler, they do have a matte finished big handle, which is definitely giving a Stanley vibe for only $5. These designs are very cute as well. They're giving like a summer vibe. I was just so thrilled when I saw these wine tumblers and squishmallow water bottles. They are for $5 each. The design for the squishmallows are really cute. This one right over here, it is a ice cream bowl and a spoon set, which is really good and fun to use for summer. And they do have different kinds of plastic containers here for your food, tiny containers for your snacks. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you've liked this video. Till next time.